Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to unbox a brand new smartwatch from Zeblaze. This is the Zeblaze Vibe 4 Hybrid. So this smartwatch has many different functions, for example Bluetooth, alarm, step counting, calories, distance, today's date, step counting, burn calories, walking distance, alarm setting, stopwatch, remote camera, incoming call reminder, and information reminder SMS, and from other apps, for example WeChat, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, etc. The Zeblaze Vibe 4 Hybrid is water resistant and it supports Android and iOS as well. Let's go with unboxing and let's see how this watch works. Now here we have the Zeblaze Vibe 4 Hybrid. In the back we can see the model Vibe 4 Hybrid, water resistant to 15 meters. We have compatibility. It tells us that it supports for Android 4.3 and or above, and iOS 7.0 or above. And here we have the QR code for the app for iOS and Android in Google Play. And this is the box for Zeblaze Vibe 4 Hybrid smartwatch. Let's go and open the box. We can see here we have the user manual, and here is the watch itself. Here we have the watch. As we can see, the name is in the back, and we have the protection plastic here. So this is the Zeblaze. As we can see, it has 4 buttons, and we have, if you pull this back, you can adjust the clock. And in the user manual we can see in the second page actually, we have the S1 button, which illuminates dial. The S2 button we have for mode, confirm and save. The S3 button here we have for control, camera shot, time start and pause. As I told you, the middle one is for adjusting time, and the S4 or the button 4 is for settings and switch reset. To start or to turn on the watch, we have to press S3 and the S2 together, and now as it's set on, and here it says light. If we press here, actually we can see the light. The Bluetooth sign is turned on, and we can see here we have the display icons. So we have Bluetooth, low battery, icon, alarm status, steps, calorie, and distance. So here we have calendar, alarm, stopwatch, Bluetooth, ringtone. We have message reminder, camera shutter or camera control. We have the information reminder for SMS or incoming calls. Here we have steps, burn calories, and the distance. And here is the stopwatch. With this button here, we can change the mood. For example, calendar, steps, burn calories, distance, alarm clock, and the timer. We have the light button, or the S1 button is for light, and if you hold for 3 seconds it will turn off the Bluetooth. As you can see here, the Bluetooth sign is gone. That means that the Bluetooth is turned off. If you hold it again for 3 seconds, now the Bluetooth is on. Next we have the S3 button, or the start as it says here. So this button will activate. For example, if you go to the stopwatch, press start, it will activate the stopwatch. Next we have the reset button. So we can see we can reset the stopwatch, and we can start from the beginning. Also, the S4 button is for changing the time. For example, if you press and hold, you can change the time by pressing the start button once per time. It will change 1 hour. Same with minutes, you can change that as well. So as we can see, the Zeblaze is a simple smartwatch, but it's made from good materials. It has iron and rubber bands, very soft rubber bands, and it looks good but doesn't have many futuristic as we used to see in our videos for smartwatches. And you can see it sits good in your hand. In the next video we will show you how to connect the Zeblaze 4 Vibe with your phone and the app. And if you want to see that video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel, turn notification on to be notified for the next video. This was all for Zeblaze 4 Vibe, and we will see you in the next video.